Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Two very quick things. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the awesome way in which you support me and my channel. I'm not going to take up too much time today. I just wanted to hop on really quickly to tell you about two things. One of them is a reminder, and one of them is I have some more of these available. So the reminder is about this. If you're like me and you use Reptile adhesive, make sure that you get your orders placed so that you can make it through the cold weather months without running out of your Reptile. Reptile adhesive is not shipped when the temperatures drop below 40 degrees. So there will be a time during the winter when my favorite glue, Reptile, is not available. So to make sure that you're able to craft along with me, go ahead, place your order for Reptile. In fact, why not just place an order for more than you're going to need, because you will be using it. And I do want to add this caveat. This reminder is not sponsored by Reptile. It's just a reminder from me to you to make sure that you have your Reptile on hand so that you can craft along with me without running into the possibility of running out of my favorite adhesive, Reptile. And then the second thing that I wanted to share is all of you who ordered D-Stash boxes, all of those boxes have been mailed, and I did have some extras left over. So on Thursday, October 20th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, I am going to put the remainder of the D-Stash boxes that I have available on sale, and they'll go on sale on my website. The link will be listed in the description box below. So for those of you who missed out on the first round, here's another opportunity to try and get a D-Stash box. This time I have a smaller amount than I did the first time, but I will be making those available Thursday, October 20th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you're interested in getting one of those mystery D-Stash boxes, make sure you check out my website at 5 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. And these are mystery boxes, so I cannot tell you what is in the box, but it's some good stuff in there. So thank you all so much for dropping by today. I really do appreciate the support on this video and on every video that I post. Whenever I post a video and you click on it, that helps my channel. Whether you're interested or not, some of you are clicking on my videos just to support me, and that means so much to the success of my channel. So as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.